Yeah, what's going on YouTube? So yeah, today we're gonna do a wheel swap. We're gonna wheel swap this mystery model Civic Type R right there. Hail to the yay. So let's get this package open. Alright, here it goes. Here's the sticker. Let's see what sticker we got. Nice white one. My light stop flickering. There we go. Nice cool sticker. Bam. Nice. I collect these. I got a bunch of these already. So yeah, here's I'll show you the cars that were in this set right here. So we got the McLaren P1, I got that. Ford Falcon, got that. Civic, got it. And the fantasy cars here. Track Ripper, Overboard 454. I've never seen that one before. I should have grabbed that. It's pretty cool. Fantasy casting. We got the Formula Flashback. Got the Gazella R. 24/7. I remember that. That's a cool one. That's a nice one. And we got the Aerodynamic right there. And the Grupo X24. See a lot of those main lines. Yeah, so let's check out the casting. The Civic Type R. Now this light is acting up today because of the heat outside. Very hot outside here in Toronto today. All you locals know. Alright, there we go. There's the Civic Type R. Not a fan of this car in person, but I just wanted to wheel swap it. It was made to compete with the WRX and the Lancer and the Ford Focus. Pretty nice. These turbo cars, man, you can put a tune on it and get a lot of power out of these turbo cars with the stock turbos. But yeah, let's wheel swap this bad boy. Stay tuned. Alright, let's drill this bad boy. Let's see. Simple. Alright, voila. There we go. Get these plastic red wheels off. There's a super cool casting right there. Awesome. Cool. Alright. The first color I got on here is gray. Got the gray deep dish baller wheels right there. Because I don't think the gold baller deep dish ones will look good on here. It looks pretty clean. Nice clean look. Hell yeah, look at that dish. Sweet. Alright, let's try another one. Alright guys, I think this is a wrap. Like I've had these rims and I've put them on other cars I got, but these ones actually look really awesome on this Civic Type R. Check it out, guys. Oh, bam! Look at that, because it goes with the white and the red livery there. Look at that. Sweet. Oh man, it looks nice, bro. Can you imagine this as a super treasure hunt? Sick. I don't understand how people are buying super treasure hunts for $100. These things cost $2, man. Okay? If you're addicted, yeah, you need to buy it. But there's a thin line between addiction and collecting. Trust me. I'm not addicted. Because I would never pay $100 for a super treasure hunt. I'm sorry. It's nice and all, but not worth it. They only cost $2 in the store, man. $1.50 other places in the world. But yeah, see that? I wheel swap my own cars, so yeah, that's why I don't even bother no super treasure hunt. If I find it, I find it, but I'm not going online and looking for them to buy. Sweet. Even the gold Civic Type R that I really wanted in this, I was hunting for it like crazy, but look, I made my own, man. And I don't even like the gold on that super treasure hunt anyways. I like the original yellow Type R color. Hell yeah. Some local guy's trying to sell it for $250. Get out of here with that, bro. What you smoking, bro? It hasn't sold because it's been online for like over a year now. Okay, let's get to the next color. I'm gonna shut up now. All right, the third one. I really like this one. I think this is my favorite right here. It actually looks really good. Here you go. Bam. Looks really good on this. Black wheels, deep dish with the red lip. Check it out. Sick. I like a lot. It's very nice. I think this is my favorite. Well, the last ones were nice too, but I really like this look best. Close up. Very nice. Nice. Awesome, awesome. Alright, let's try one more rim. Alright, last one. I know a lot of you guys are gonna love this one. I like it. It's very clean. This is for all the white rim lovers. Right here. Bam. There you go, guys. Hell yeah. Civic Type R's with the white rims always look good. Check it out. Awesome, awesome. Very clean. Man, just a rim swap just makes it look so awesome. This is a nice Type R, man. I'm not a fan of it, but I do like it. I would be well, here, this is why I'm not a fan, because look, the legendary Civics are just too awesome to give up for this. It's nice and everything, but I love the old school Type R's. Awesome, awesome. Naturally aspirated, no turbo. The power that they used to pump out of those little 1.6, 1.8 motors, man, is just crazy. Awesome, awesome. All right. That was my rim swap for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good night, everybody. Peace out.